weekly averages can be a great tool for your trainees. I noticed this the first time I gave someone a daily recommendation, and then after that I gave them a weekly average. I remember the look on her face. She was like, whoa, I can eat this many calories per week, like this much. And it was great because it was actually a deficit. And she was like, oh, 15,000 or whatever it was. By giving people these huge banks of calories to work with, it empowers them by giving them freedom. And that freedom allows them to make probably better food choices, especially when they get closer to the end of the week. Always, we're involved in raising and creating more awareness. I feel weekly averages are one of the best ways to do that. We get closer to the end of the week, we notice, oh, I have 2,800 calories left. And so I can adjust. And it isn't about starvation, right? It's about awareness. Maybe I make better food choices. One thing I find is very helpful is taking note of weekend types of eating and weekday or work eating. Monday through Friday, you might have off days and workout days. You can stagger, okay? This is called staggering, where we eat less or base calories on the off days and we eat full maintenance calories on the workout days. We get an average, and this average is 10,000 calories. On the weekends, we go far below because we know that there might be some heavy, hardcore rest going on the weekends, some epic Olympic level kicking back. And so we go way below to 2,400 on the weekends. That's going to give us a weekly base of 13,100 calories. I found introducing a weekly average to some people to be an unbelievable, helpful source of education. For some reason, people see this giant number and it gives them a sense of freedom to eat whatever they want, knowing that they can't eat 5,000 calories in one day. It's like having a bank account. This is a nice big bank account, and they know that when it gets to the end of the week, I know it's payday. I know exactly how much I can spend tonight. I can spend going to the supermarket on the weekend on the weekends, and still know that they lose weight. And the number tends to be huge at the end of the week, like 3,000, 2,000. People like to see that because they know, oh, 3,500. That's a pound. And this is best for body fat loss. We always underestimate. So if this number is 1,400 or 1,450 and is probably almost always going to be above 1,100, 1,200, no matter how, well, if they're very short, that's different. But if we underestimate this by 100 calories, that's okay, guys, which is why we don't need age when we talk about estimating calories. It's useless. When we're change agents and we're talking one-on-one and doing a motivational or interview education intervention, it's okay to leave off an extra 100 or 50 or 70 calories because we underestimate. The point is, we are assisting by education. This is the 2,000 plus number that we found was an average. The 2,300, I think, that we needed per day. Well, if we have them, we give them a bank of 13,100 calories. This is negative 3,700 calories per week, which is a pound. Okay, she continues doing this for her 5 months, she'll lose her 20 pounds. Of course, with adjustments. Which is very, you change agents, that's what you guys are going to be doing. So as I said, staggering is a key skill that we can consider when giving and adjusting base calories. It takes out the cheat day. It gives people a reason to be self-efficacious. And I think it's easier to manage for us coaches when we give people a nice, healthy bank account, weekly average. Very, very builds a pride.